Hello everybody, this is Fire Alarm Raymond 6772. So anyways, in this first fire alarm video, which is the second video on this channel, I'm going to show you how to wire up a pole station to a fire alarm without a panel. It's very simple though. So first we're going to start out with, all you need is a 24 volt DC power supply, and you're going to need another length of speaker wire or fire alarm cable, whatever you want to use. So the connections are very simple though. On the back of the pole station we only have two connections. We got the black and the red, which go straight to the switch. This is a conventional pole station, as you can see. Some people think, I tried this switch both ways. I know the red is supposed to be positive and the black is supposed to be negative. However you want to hook it up, it doesn't matter, but either way it'll work. So anyways, let's get started. So first we're going to start out with the power supply. You can use any power supply. You can use a 12 volt power supply or a 24 volt DC power supply. And I know this is a Silent Night pole station, and this is a SpectraAlert Advance SR remote strobe, as you can see. The reason why I'm using a strobe only for this demonstration for right now, it's because it is 11 o'clock at night and I don't want to make so much noise. So anyways, let's get started. And you're also going to need a screwdriver too. So let's start out with the power supply. So you have two different leads sticking out of the power supply. The wire without the stripes is the positive wire, and the wire with the gray stripes is the negative wire. So the first thing you want to do is flip over the pole station and you stick the negative wire. Either way it'll work. You stick the negative wire into the red part of the terminals, or black, it doesn't matter which. So you stick the negative wire in here and then you tighten it down. Make sure it's nice and secured so the wire doesn't come unplugged. So there you go. That's the first connection. Now we're going to make a connection between the fire alarm and the pole station. So you want to take an extra set of wire, stick it in the other terminal like this, and then you tighten it down. Make sure the wire is all the way in there. And then you take the other end of the cable, you stick it in the negative part of the mounting bracket, and then this wire is going in from this terminal to the negative part. And now, the last connection that we need to make is the positive part of the power supply goes in here. So it goes in the positive terminal of the mounting bracket. And now we have all the connections complete, and now we put our alarm back on the mounting bracket, flip the pole station over, and now, last but not least, we plug our power supply directly into the wall. Let's plug it in. And now it is now complete. And here we go. For the moment of truth, let's give it a test. In 3, 2, 1. And that's how you wire up a pole station to a fire alarm without a panel. So everything is complete, and if you follow this tutorial video, you'll find it very easy to do. And so I'm very happy to make this video for you guys, and now it's complete. Now you can have a little fun with your fire alarms, however you want to do it. And that's how you wire up a pole station to an actual notification appliance without a panel. So anyways, I'm hoping that you guys enjoyed the video. Ooh, excuse me, I just burped. Haha. So anyways, thank you all so much for watching this video, and if you want to see me do a video how to wire up a fire alarm control panel in the future, maybe I'll make it happen. I'm not sure yet, but this is what I'm doing for now. So thank you very much, and that's it, and thanks for watching.